Valenzuela City. The multifaceted locality that has quietly risen from a sleepy fishing village to become one of the most prominent and respected cities and a model of good governance in the Philippines today. A city where heritage and progress stand side by side. Valenzuela City traces its roots all the way to the 1600s. An old quiet town of Polo, a tiny settlement of small fishermen which was then part of Bulacan. And like most great cities of history, the rivers that course through the town soon became the source of livelihood. Along its banks rose the varied industries that would shape the future of Polo. The old town became the cradle of great people in history. Among them was the distinguished revolutionary hero, Dr. Pio Valenzuela, to whom which Polo was eventually renamed after. Today, Valenzuela City and its people pulsate with a beat that defies all odds. Valenzuelanos, as the residents have come to be known as, are hardy folks, chiseled to perfection by 4 centuries of intense and steadfast hard work. People who have strong and uncompromising commitment to bring their city and themselves to greatness. Proof of this commitment can be seen everywhere in the city. Under the driving force of Mayor Sherwin Gatchalian, Valenzuela City has grown by leaps and bounds. Industries have mushroomed all over the city. In 2004, from a mere 900 million pesos, its annual income hit the 2 billion peso mark in 2010. An investor-friendly city nurtured with transparent and accountable governance. Confidence in the business landscape has grown. Registered businesses now number more than 11,000, doubling the 2004 records. The flow of trade in and out of the city has enjoyed significant increase with the opening of the 90 million Lingunan Lawang Bato vehicular overpass, which links the eastern and western portions of the city that were once literally divided by the North Luzon Expressway. With the business sector running at full speed, Mayor Win beefed up his infrastructure initiatives for government and education. The new government complex provides citizens with access to efficient and fast public service. The complex includes the new city government buildings and the police headquarters. The police headquarters is a new and modern home to the dedicated police force who are committed to improving the peace and order situation of Valenzuela City. They continually undergo intensive training to improve their skills in responding swiftly to emergency situations and pursuing criminal elements. Good education is good governance. This is the anchor philosophy behind Mayor Win's pursuit in providing quality education to Valenzuelano youth. Under the Win ang Edukasyon program, more than 600 classrooms have been built since 2004. Work texts, notebooks, and other learning materials are being provided for free to make learning more accessible. These initiatives lure back students to the classrooms, raising the enrollment at a record high in years. The program, being implemented in partnership with Synergia Foundation, aims at raising the performance of Valenzuelano students in the National Achievement Test. And the efforts have paid off. The city-funded Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Valenzuela provides college students with degrees that will prepare them for their own future. For students who wish to acquire quality technical and vocational education, the Valenzuela Polytechnic College provides them with a perfect setting to learn these life skills. The city also provides scholarships to deserving students in the tertiary level. Several students have graduated and earned their degrees to become part of the productive workforce, contributing to the progress of the country. Valenzuela City experienced one of the most devastating environmental disasters in history, the Typhoon Ondoy. Faced with a serious situation, Valenzuelanos once again rose to the challenge and turned a disaster into an opportunity to be of service to its people. Disciplina Village became the first housing project intended specifically for Typhoon Ondoy victims. Through this multi-sectoral partnership, residents were awarded housing units situated away from the dangers of the Tulyahan River, enabling them to have a better home and a community to call their own. Alongside projects for shelter are efficient and results-driven programs geared towards providing dynamic and quality primary healthcare and social services to Valenzuelanos from all walks of life. Ramdam ang kalingang lungsod ng Valenzuela. This is the city government's commitment to the well-being of its people. From bringing healthcare services accessible and closer to the neighborhoods, to promoting responsible parenthood, providing a happy and nourished childhood, to sustaining a prime, glorious, contented, and well-cared-for life for the senior citizens. Valenzuela City prides itself as a city that fosters equal opportunities. From those who need economic assistance and small enterprise support, those searching for employment opportunities, and those who never fail to seek for another chance in life. The city government never tires of providing ways to make life better for all Valenzuelanos. Residents are assured of protection from further threats of natural calamities with a functional disaster risk reduction and management team. From all aspects, Valenzuela has succeeded where many have failed. That is, to create a unified mindset among its people and motivate them to strive for a brighter future they can call their own. This begins with a strong and resilient leadership and a dedicated team unstoppable in their quest to make Valenzuela a thriving, driven city where everyone's future is everyone's business. Lungsod ng Valenzuela, patuloy na kaunlaran at marangal na pamunuan, ang alay at kontribusyon para sa minimithing kasaganaan ng ating bansa.